Hello kids, let's learn different colors and shapes with the help of this wooden toy. Let's find a red circle. Can you find it? A red circle? This is an orange circle. Let's find a red circle. Here it is. It's a red circle. It has no sides. Let us find an orange rectangle. Let's see, a blue rectangle. No, we need an orange rectangle. Here it is. It's an orange rectangle. It has 4 sides. Let's place it in the puzzle. Now find a yellow triangle. This one is blue. Here it is. I can see that. It's a yellow triangle. Triangle has 3 sides. Let's place it in the puzzle. Now find a blue square. I can see that. Here is the blue square. It has 4 equal sides. Now place it in the pattern. Let's find an orange pentagon. Here, I can see that. It's an orange pentagon. It has 5 sides. Now find a yellow circle. Here it is. A yellow circle. Now find a blue rectangle. Here it is, a blue rectangle. A green triangle. I can see that. It's a green triangle. Now find a green square. Here it is. It's a green square. Let's place it. Now find a blue pentagon. Here it is. A blue pentagon. It has 5 sides. Let's find an orange circle. I can see that here. An orange circle. Now find a red rectangle. It's a red rectangle. Let's find a blue triangle. It's a blue triangle. Let's find an orange square. Here, you can see that. Yes. It's an orange square. Let's find a green pentagon. Here it is. It's a green pentagon. Let's find a green circle. It's a green circle. It has no sides. Let's find a yellow rectangle. Here it is. A yellow rectangle. It has 4 sides. Now find a red triangle. I can see that here. It's a red triangle. A red square? Can you see that? Yeah, here it is. A red square. The last one is a yellow pentagon. It's a yellow pentagon. Great job, guys. We have learned different shapes and colors. It's a circle. It has no sides. It's a rectangle. It has 4 sides, 2 unequal sides. This is a triangle. It has 3 sides, 1, 2, 3. This is a square. It has 4 equal sides, 1, 2, 3, 4. And the last one is the pentagon. It has 5 sides, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.